Hello everyone, I wholeheartedly welcomes you to this YouTube channel Tech India. This is our first video on this channel. First of all, I would like to say a few things like main objective of this channel. I create this YouTube channel in the main motive to help the people who has the aim to become a successful engineer with a smaller knowledge background. And addition to that, please understand carefully, I didn't create or I don't have any motive to increase the views or likes of this video. I like to use this channel wisely. So I ask you that please assign your valuable time of around 5 minutes to hear this video. Okay, let's go into the content. In this current generation, there are about enormous development in the field of science and technology, especially electrical and electronics engineering, from a nano micro level to monster level. And also, I hope that this video would reach the master-minded people in the field of science and technology. Well, the word master-minded people I used here is to represent the people who watching this video and who likes to give his own self-innovative ideas to the public concerned, irrespective of any mutual relationship between them. Yeah, I can hear your feeling. You may have encountered by this type of questions that why these guys keep on emphasizing about the ideas on technology. I figured it out. Well, the answer for such type of questions is that we spend our majority times over many important things in our life, which ultimately gives our own self-development and improvement. But here, I just ask you to give your innovative ideas to our fellow people, where the idea may be as tiny as Fermi level, not at all a problem, no issues. Always it will be most welcome, and that idea would really help someone in your field of electrical science. I keep on insisting and emphasizing the concept of idea mainly is that the idea is the virtual form of any working model. Once we have done with the skeleton structure of creating the idea, then really around 60% of our mission is done. Though it sounds hilarious, but it is the true fact. Why? Because if we have designed it with a better idea, then it will be enough for us to wake up daily in the morning, and soon we can attain our result. Whether it can be succeed or not, that doesn't matter, but we will give our 100% best to see the end result. Here I wish to see the innovative project ideas from the field of electrical science, which may have the inner subset of other interdisciplinary domains like electronics, mechanical, computer science, and ICT, information and communication technologies. So our final outcome is that we should have to integrate all our domains to a working prototype. For that, even if I get one simple idea as a comment, then really I will be the happiest person. Recently, there are more demand on the field of agriculture and horticulture to improve the cultivation, irrigation yields of crops, and also there are so many fields in demand of engineering and technology. But if we have a focus on agriculture like that field, then it will be really helpful for our future generations. So I strongly recommend you to give more and more amount of innovative automation ideas on the field of agriculture. In addition to that, I had appended one Telegram group link in the description below. Please kindly see and join over there and give your valuable innovative ideas so that we will have a discussion over there. And also, don't be under impression that what am I going to gain there by putting my self ideas over there. Is there any benefit for me like putting my comments? Like that question, if you have in your mind, means the answer is a big no for that. Really, because it will be helpful for you if you have a discussion on mainly technical topics. If we have a discussion over there, we will have a strong basic foundation. From there we can able to do our project successfully. Successful is not a ultimate. We can complete our project satisfactory. We can learn a lot of things by doing project. So first of all, the first step is to lay a strong foundation. Strong foundation leads to successful result. So don't fail to discuss, don't fail to create a strong idea. Idea plays a major role in project, and also unknowingly it will be really helpful for at least any one person in the any corner of world. I repeat it once again. I am longing not for any money like YouTube revenue system or something like that, views, likes and all. I don't want, and also I don't want any attention seeking like that and all. I don't like. So the main motive is to use our media, any media, to use our media a wise manner, which really helps to know a lot of things happening around us and helps to improve our knowledge on science and technology, and it will change our view on engineering. Generally we think our engineering is quite bit difficult. That all of things are happen due to lack of ideas, lack of views over our engineering and science. So we should use our medias, especially social medias, to improve our skills. And please don't forget to join the Telegram group link which I given in the description below. I strongly recommend you to come up there with a magnificent ideas so that we will have some discussion over there. And also in future videos I will try to post more the content about the new emerging technologies which emanates from our science and technologies. And also I promise you that I won't add any irrelevant content like fun and entertaining videos in this channel. So finally we came to an end. Knowledge helps us to think. Thinking generates new ideas, new innovative ideas, and ideas which induces our dopamine to do action. So don't fail to think. And also there is nothing like it's a good idea, it's a bad idea. That is nothing like that. All idea itself a beautiful one. Every man has a capability to think, so use it wisely. And finally I end up the video by saying one famous saying that every great inventions existing today were once considered as a joke. So don't fail to think, because thinking leads to action. Okay, thank you, and don't forget to join the Telegram link which I given below. Bye.